pull the lace up a little bit to cover this forehead. You feel me?
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be super different from what I usually do because I'll be showing you how I style and customize my hair using My First Wig B-Real Wig Kit and Full Lace Wig. This company provides high quality hair for wig beginners as well as the tools to style and customize your wig. Before we hop into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you would like to see more hair videos like this. One more thing, make sure you stay until the end because I have a little surprise for you. So if you would like to see how I customized and styled this hair, then keep on watching. So you guys, My First Wig is coming out with a new wig kit that has everything you need to style and customize your hair, especially for beginners. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really pink and glittery. Plus, I like how this is a really nice travel size. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Inside is a detangling brush, elastic band set, bobby pins, wig knot healer, flyaway tamer, wig grip, and a manual describing exactly how to use each product in the wig kit. So the wig that I'll be using today is from My First Wig. This is the Yolanda Malaysian Hair Full Lace Wig. And I already washed it, conditioned, and blow dried the hair. So only thing I have to do is style it. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the wig knot healer. And I'm going to apply the color stick part where my parting is right here, and I'm doing this just to hide the knots on my lace so it looks more realistic. Just dabbing a little bit where my part is. Next, I'm going to go in with the soft brush side and I'm gonna buff that color into my lace. And if you feel like you put too much, just grab a towel and try to dab lightly. So the next step that I'm going to do is sew this elastic band on my wig just to make sure my wig is more secured on my head and it stays put. One thing I really like about these is that it's kind of like a bra clip where you could secure it just like that and you can adjust how tight you want it. So now that my adjustable strap is sewed on, it's time to apply the wig. Hoocha! Now I'm just using the brush to just detangle it a little bit. First, I'm going to section off my hair with these bobby pins. Look how straight my hair got. our hair is nice and flat iron. Now I'm going in with the Flyaway Tamer just to flatten down any frizziness I have. Well, you guys, this is the completed hair look. I really like how my hair turned out. It looks natural, and all of this was very easy to do. Well, you guys, this is the completed look with my first wig, Be Real Wicked. Hold on. I will be doing some sort of a beginner's makeup series on my channel, so stay tuned. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.